Hey guys, thanks for watching. So I'm going to show you a little photo carve that I did and the settings that I used, and hopefully it'll help you out. So I loaded the image. This is the image that was already black and white, and that kind of helps define it a little better. So we already loaded it. And then I made the size right there, thickness. This is the important part right here. That one right there, the thickness and how deep the carving is real important. The tool I used is from Amana tool. It's gonna be that one right there. That's the right tool, number 2. That setting right there is how the tip, how big the tip is. And that's how much we're taking off each time. So I do the cross hatch, and I have it on a 45-degree angle. Like I said, this is the important one right there. Then you can adjust this too, it changes. I'm gonna leave it right there. I know mine's good right there. You hit calculate. Sorry, I'm holding the camera. And that's an image of what it's going to look like on the wood. Move it around, kind of see. The darker spots are where it's going to be deeper at, and the wider spots will be closer to the surface that you'll actually be sanding off later to bring the image out, to make it look nice on a piece of wood. We're going to use a piece of pine wood. So when you save it, that's all cut and dry. Hopefully you know how to do that. If not, search the internet to find that one. And then I'll take it to the CNC. Alright, so it's fresh off the CNC. Now I'm going to go cut the edges down, and I'll show you the next process. So now that I've cut it down, I'm going to add some stain to it. That should bring it out a little bit, and then the third step will make it stand out really well. I'm using some darker stain. Now, yep, darker up. You're like, where'd the picture go? Don't worry about it, it'll be there. Get everything stained. Looks good, doesn't it? No, not yet. So now I just get a rag and kind of like push off all the extra stain. You start seeing the picture now. However, this is not the last step, but it's important. That way it's not drying on the picture per se. You kind of want all the flat part to erase the stain, and that'll be the next process. Okay, for this final process, we're going to use a sander. I'm using a hand sander. Keep in mind, be very careful. If you press real hard, you'll erase the whole image. You want to use something like a 220 or 120 grit or something. Don't go real abrasive or it'll just erase the image. So basically I just set the sander on there and let the sander go to work. And there you have it. You can keep sanding. The more you sand, the more it'll pop the picture out. But keep in mind, the more you sand, the less of the picture is there, if you understand what I'm saying, because it's not very thick. So I probably am going to sand this a little bit more, but for the tutorial, this is where I'm going to stop. Thanks for watching. So we're going to add one last final touch to it. First I'm going to blow it off because there's a lot of dust when you sand it. Get some of the fine detail that way. You're getting all that dust collected in the pores. You don't want that in there when I'm getting ready to seal it with the polyacrylic. That way it'll seal and last for a long time. Just want to lightly coat it using that kind right there. You don't want to drown it, but you do want to bring it all over. That way it seals it in. It brings out the shine too. You don't want to let that white stuff in there set up, it turns gummy. I've already learned my lesson on that one. Kind of soak up the extra and brush it again maybe. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you would, please subscribe and like our channel. And thanks for watching. This is Robert with Lulu Rapery. Have a good day.